Welcome friends, welcome to my channel G4 Tech. In this video, I will teach you about all the indicators in this screen or in this LED screen or this in any AC remote's display. Okay, I will show you I will show you that indicators. It will not come all in one time. It will not come one time. It will come only like this. You can see these things. I already taken a screenshot, not screenshot, a photo in my other mobile. I will show you that. Okay, these are the indicators. There are many indicators in everybody's AC remote controller. Okay, I will explain every indicators today in this video. So don't forget to subscribe my AC video channel. If you have any comments or any queries, you please comment below my video. Okay, let's go to the video. I will show directly from my book. Then you will understand more. Okay. This is my AC book. All the indicators I had shown you is here in my book. So let's start from first one. Look this. What is this indicator? This is transmission indicator. Okay. It means this transmission indicator lights when remote controller transmits signal to the indoor unit. Like if you are pressing on button, then this indicator will show you here. In this remote it will not show, but almost all the remotes you can see. Maybe your remote you can see this signal. If you press any button, so it will indicate here that this button, this function will come in your remote. Okay, and next one, auto mode and auto, cool, dry, heat and fan. These are all mode displays. This all displays the current operation mode, including auto, cool, dry, heat, and heat means it be only applicable to all weather ACs. You must always check your AC catalog for this mode is there or not. Okay, then this is fan mode, and these arrows I will show you. These arrows, fan speed display the selected fan speed, auto, no display, and 3 fan speed levels, low and medium. This, or if it will everything will come, then high can be indicated. The fan speed is auto when the operating mode either auto or dry. I will show you. Okay, wait. The important thing you must note that if it is in auto mode, this fan button will not work. Okay, then if it is in cool mode, it will work. Cool, heat, dry and fan mode, it will work. Indicator I will show you. This is for the low fan speed, medium, high. In dry mode it will not work. Okay, then heat mode it will work. Fan mode it will work. This is only fan mode, no other functions will work, only fan will work. Now this mode, this symbol, it represents on and off in the remote controller. I will show you. On off display, displayed by pressing the on off button. Press the on off button again to remove. Okay, it will change according to AC units and remote controllers. Look, I'll show you. Look, it is coming. It is coming. Okay, and this is timer on display and off display. Displayed when timer on, time is set. Which one? This one, timer on, and this is timer on. It is like L, English alphabet L is timer off, and this one is timer on. These are two indicators. This one is sleep display, displayed under sleeping operation. Press the sleep button again to remove. And the other thing is, I will post all the videos in English in my upcoming videos. Okay, every video I will post it in English, don't worry. Now today we are only learning about the indicators on the LCD screen of all AC remote controllers. So this one, this is follow me display button. Look here, on some models only. Okay, displayed the when follow me function is activated. I'll show you this follow button. It's LED follow me. Sorry, it is in auto mode. Okay, LED follow me, and in this it is not working. So don't worry, if you press this process, it will work. But the thing is, it is already written on some models, and this is applicable for all AC models. Okay, displayed when follow me function is activated. Next we'll go to this F. What is this F? And this is temperature timer display. Displays the temperature setting. When you set the operating mode to fan, no temperature setting is displayed, and if in the timer mode, shows the on and off settings of the timer. Okay, and if it will not come in this screen, it will come on your AC display. Don't worry about this. If it will not come in this screen, it will come in your AC unit display. It will come here. Everything will come here. Don't worry. Hope you understand. One last thing I need to tell you. You just pause my video and read this. Okay. All indicators shown in the figure are for the purpose of clear presentation, but during the actual operation, only the relative functional signs are shown on the display window. So don't worry. In some remotes it will come, but in some remotes it will not come. Okay, it will show in your AC unit display. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Bye bye.